Hi, this is my review for the Titan Smart System. This is the model N120. It's a great replacement for a water heater if you have maybe something that stores, like a tank that stores the water. I personally feel this is a better option because they won't leak any water or anything, and it heats up the water pretty quickly. You would use these two buttons to increase the heat or decrease the heat. So this is to put it colder, this is to put it hotter. Personally, I like it. Each light is a degree of heat, so I never put it at the highest because it's really hot. I like it around the middle, and if that's still too hot for you, maybe one less, so it's like 2 lights. I usually have it around 3. Yeah, I believe I have it around 3 lights, 4 or 5 lights or degrees in temperature. Is really hot. So these are the all the tubes and the cables and all of that. Honestly, did not install it, so I couldn't help you on how to do that, but I definitely would recommend this for a great replacement for a water heater, and it's been a great tool for us to have in our home. And again, that's the model and the information. Thank you.